an overview of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is literally using energy from light to synthesize organic molecules. The equation for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water goes to glucose plus oxygen, or 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O goes to C6 H12O6 plus 6 O2. You will notice that this is the exact reverse of the equation for respiration, but in photosynthesis we need some additional conditions because we need to have light and we need to have chlorophyll for the reaction to be able to occur. The reaction will take place in the chloroplast, the structure of which you are familiar with from chapter 1, and we'll look in a bit more detail, but you remember that we've got the double membranes indicating that this arose as a result of endosymbiosis, and then we've got the thylakoid membranes which stack to form the grana, and a lot of what goes on is happening inside here, inside the thylakoids. A fun fact for you, all of the oxygen, is produced through the photolysis of water. Now, the photolysis of water is literally the splitting of water using light. There's a whole video on that later. But if you look at 6O2, that's 12 oxygen atoms, whereas 6H2O only provides 6 oxygen atoms. And through radioactive tracing, they discovered that actually all of the oxygen is produced through the splitting of water. So the true equation for photosynthesis is 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O goes to C6 H12O6 plus 6 O2 plus 6 H2O. So what we do is we just cancel that out to make 6 H2O in total. You don't really need to know the true equation as such, but it's just a fun fact for you to understand.